Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is another episode of Get a Better Life Quest for the Truth. In this video, I will be explaining what sacrifice in Yoruba or sacrifice in Ifa Religion, which is called Irubo, means. This video is to clear one of the misconceptions in Ifa Religion. They say knowledge is power. When you have it, no one can brainwash you or tell you that your traditions are evil, such as what a lot of people say about Ifa Religion. Some even call traditional believers àwọn ẹlẹ́bọ, which I can simply translate to pagans. In this video, we are going to know what exactly Ebo or Irubo means. Ebo or Irubo means sacrifice in English. So, what does this mean? Ebo is a ritual prescription that is prescribed in the Ifa divination by an Ifa priest, otherwise known as Babalawo, to solve problems. In most cases, spiritual problems. A typical example of this is the medical prescription you get when you visit your medical doctor. Ebo is a combination of materials such as palm oil, egg, beans cake called akara in Yoruba language, animals, and so on and so forth, which are symbolically related to someone's situation. Let us see if it is only in Ifa Religion Irubo sacrifice is practiced. According to Oxford Bibliographies Online, sacrifice is a word that evokes multiple meanings and connotations in modern context. When dealing with the Hebrew Bible, that is, Old Testament, early Judaism, and early Christianity, and wider cultural worlds, sacrifice is best defined as the ritualized slaughter of animals and the processing of their bodies in relation to supernatural forces, especially gods. Ritualized processing was also applied to non-meat foods and drink, such as grain, olive oil, and wine. The English word sacrifice derives etymologically from a Latin term that means make sacred. This etymological meaning is quite appropriate for the rituals in the Hebrew Bible that are typically designated as sacrifice, since they involve the transfer of offering from human beings to God, from the common to the sacred. In the Hebrew Bible, the primary Hebrew term is korban, that is, something brought forward, offering, which indicates the basic ancient Israelite understanding of this activity. In the Hebrew Bible, Israel's God, Yahweh, is always the designated or assumed recipient of legitimate Israelite sacrifice. In this bibliography, the primary focus will be on sacrifice in the Hebrew Bible. However, some attention will be given to resources related to post-biblical ancient Judaism and early Christianity, as those traditions drew on and interpreted the Hebrew Bible. Now, it is understood that Christians no longer offer sacrifice, as Christ came to die on the cross. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 2 says, "And walk in love, as Christ loved us and gave himself up for us, a fragrant offering and sacrifice to God." Fine, this is understood, but the Bible says Jesus was sent to the lost sheep of Israel. Matthew chapter 5 verse 24. But he answered and said, "I was not sent except to the lost sheep of house of Israel." But Christians today still give offering in the church. How about Islam? Every year, Muslims around the world slaughter an animal, a goat, a sheep, a cow, or a camel. So according to my research, the reasons for sacrifice in Ifa religion is simply to change and shift one's circumstances to fortunate and positive outcomes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.